What is DSCR, or Debt Service Coverage Ratio, also known as Real Estate Investor Mortgage or Investor Flex? Hi, I'm ReAnn Gonzalez with Edge Home Finance, and today we're going to talk about a very interesting program for investors. There are two ways to qualify for a mortgage. The first one is with personal income. The second one is with property income. Commercial lenders have done this for years. Now we have a program on the residential lending side. The real estate investor is approved based on property cash flow, not personal income. We use prospective monthly rental income rather than their current income. We are looking to make sure that the investor will hopefully make money, or at the very least break even. In some scenarios, a larger down payment may be needed depending upon area rents to make the ratio work. This loan program doesn't require W-2s, no pay stubs, no tax returns, no verification of employment. Doesn't even require employment history at all. The property can be purchased in an entity or LLC's name, unlike the conforming conventional loans. So what do you need for this loan? You need good credit, 660 or higher, no bankruptcy or foreclosure in the last 4 years. You need assets. We will require bank statements to document the down payment and closing costs, and we want 6 to 12 months of reserves, depending upon the lender I'm using. Minimum loan amount is $100,000 and maximum loan amount is $2 million. It is a 30-year fixed. Rate is a little higher as this is not a conforming loan, but it isn't too bad. Allowable property types are single-family residence, 2 to 4 unit property, condo, and some investors that may go over 4 units, but terms are very different. You can finance up to 20 properties with this program. This loan is eligible for short-term rentals like Airbnb or long-term rentals. It's not for primary owner-occupied or second home purchases. This is only for investment properties. Loan to value for purchase or rate term refinances is 80% loan to value or 20% down payment. Cash out refinance is 75% loan to value. Now, let's look at some numbers. How do we calculate the debt service coverage ratio? DSCR is equal to the net operating income or rental income divided by the debt service or total mortgage payment, PITI. For instance, let's say we have a property renting for $2,000 per month and mortgage payment is $2,000 per month. We have a ratio of 1, which is a break-even ratio. Let's say we have another property renting for $2,000 a month and mortgage payment is $1,800. This ratio is 1.11, which is good as the investor is making money. Some investors, depending upon credit, down payment, etc., will allow you to go to a 0.8 ratio, which would be rental income of $1,600 with a mortgage payment of $2,000. The investor is paying extra out of their pocket every month for this rental as it is a negative cash flow. Appraisal is completed with a 1007 rent schedule. This is where the appraiser evaluates and reports fair market value rents for the subject property based on the area. If the property is already leased, we can use that rental income as long as 6 months is left on the lease and recent rents are paid on time. This program is for the following individuals: investors who already have several properties and either don't want to provide all the paperwork for a traditional conventional mortgage, tax returns, pay stubs, W-2s, etc., or maybe they have too much personal debt and are leveraged above what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac allow for the debt-to-income ratios. The other is self-employed investors who have written off too many expenses and wouldn't qualify under the standard debt-to-income qualification required by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Mortgage transactions are like puzzles, and every client and transaction has different pieces that need to be matched and put together for the final closing. This is what I love to do. So please watch more of my YouTube videos where I provide mortgage tips, and as a huge favor, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like and subscribe button below. And as always, if you have any questions and want to chat about your situation, please feel free to reach out to me at 915-478-1157 or apply at the link listed below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.